The real world skill isn't for them to look something up in a book and then write it down on a piece of paper. The real world skill is that they're responsible, they know where to find information when they need it, and how to validate that information. We're putting that right into the hands of the students and saying, here, you be in charge of your own learning, and you go out and find the information, validate it, and make it relevant to you.
I designed my classroom to be a collaborative workplace that fosters creativity and critical thinking. There's a Mac Mini at every table, and each student has an iOS device, which serves as a research pod that reports back to the communal desktop Mac. With other Apple support, it's the perfect collaborative learning environment.
By giving them specific roles and project-style kinds of things that we've been doing, really allows them to shine in a differentiated instruction kind of point of view. So let's use an example here, plate tectonics. Every table has one specific plate boundary. Let's just say it's continental to continental margin. The researchers find out what it is about a continental to continental margin that makes it different from others. They find out specific examples, what sorts of features are built by it. Then they find images to back things up. And they are starting to create their own chapters. Now, this is where it gets really cool because they're doing this on the iOS devices. And then we're using an application called PasteBot. And PasteBot's a clipboard manager. They find content on the iPod Touch. By tapping on the clipboard manager on their iPod, it can go directly into a Pages document. So the editor will start to kind of filter out the unnecessary bits and pieces and start to pull it together. And then when they're finished, they have a real document that they created together, and we've got 6 different ones that we can then compile together and have one master EPUB that goes back out to them on their devices. And they've got a chapter that they just created as a class together. So we don't just limit it to the standardized textbook modes of delivery. It's whatever they want to do. Use Sketchbook X to do their own drawing of it, or they could use iMotion and actually create a little claymation video of a plate collision. The students learn best from themselves. I have to constantly remind myself that they're not going to understand every word that I say, but they understand their creative means of expression. So if they're putting that out towards their peers, they're going to learn a whole lot more.
My name is Bill Sang, and I empower my students in collaborative environments with iOS devices.